It's just a quick video about making a little mini skidster from your zero turn John Deere. The bucket is 36 inches wide, foot deep, foot high, 6 inches on the top. Cost me $100. They bent it for me. Cut the side plates. I had to weld them. Got two actuators. These are off of Amazon. I think they were about 43 bucks. 12 volt DC. Got the 1x1 tubing, 1.5 inches from a local scrapyard. It was $1 a pound. This is black pipe. Got a piece of all thread, nylock nuts. Cut these grooves out so you keep your deck on. This is a winch, 2,500 pounds it says. Harbor Freight, 79 bucks. Shorten the cable to use it. Then I made this plate. Just had some 1/8 inch plate cut. And then just use all the holes that they have in the deck. This is the box that comes with the winch. Wired it to the battery on the John Deere. This is a little momentary switch, left and right for the actuators. It's just 12 volts. And then the good thing about the winch, it comes with a Bluetooth up and down. Just opened it up, zip tied it on. This cost me about 300 bucks. Everything's real simple. Went to Menards, got the nuts and bolts, or grade 8 hardened bolts. Real cheap, $4 a pack. Shorten the cable. So everything was pretty simple on this. Just get a good look at how I made it. Real simple. First day I used it, it was well worth the money. You can lift at least 200 pounds easy. You can fill that bucket with gravel, loose dirt. Alrighty, that's all I got. Leave your comments.